So who do you think will win the challenge, girl?
Ako, tapan ko, sabay tayo.
Arizona!
Later that same evening.
I have made my decision.
May decision!
Arizona brand.
Oh my God!
Congratulations.
Tama ka.
Suki-dong. Congratulations.
Yay! Ay! Nanalo din siya!
Parehas tayo!
Hey guys! Welcome back to the 2K BFF channel.
I'm James Matthew.
And I'm si James CJ.
And today, we're gonna watch episode 8.
Episode 8?
Oh, the late episode.
Oo nga.
L for 8. Late.
Inintay natin last week, no? Tapos kinabukasan na.
Tapos kinabukasan na ng umaga. Nalik na lahat. Nalik na kung sino natanggal. Pero hindi pa namin pinanood ng episode kasi gusto namin mapanood din with you guys. Okay, without further ado, let's watch.
Let's watch na.
Station Royale. Welcome to Drag Race Philippines.
Si Kiana nagiging one note na yun.
Mayroon naman kasi like magkasunod na season. Parang nangyari kay Aja. Ang tinutukoy ko si Aja ng season 10 ng Drag Race US. After nung season niya doon, sinali kagad siya sa All-Stars. Bongga siya.
All Stars agad?
Yua. Sashay away.
Yua was my front runner. One of the front runners.
At your DIY drag contest, we have to brand and design. I mean, this
First
is
time
a
ko makakita.
designed
May
for
ganun talent.
Suki.
Oo, may ganyan ba sa international?
Because you
May
want
booth.
the mini challenge.
May mga drag con.
Create a disadvantage by taking a minute from her
Pero hindi
presentation
as, ano,
and
hindi siya
adding it
challenge.
to yours.
Siguro parang parang gagawa sila ng product na kailangan nilang ibenta.
I am bombarded by a cacophony of demonic voices in my head telling me, that's why I created Crisis Control.
Pero alam mo, nakikita ko si Suki.
Oh my God!
Parang Pinoy na siya.
Design and
Inuulit-ulit niya na yung mga English word.
Ang ina mo gagawin. I've done my boo before with my bestie Isis.
Nagawa niya na before.
Thing yun sa ibang bansa, sa atin lang hindi siya thing, nakakainis.
Na may no? Dapat magkaroon nga ng mga parang Philippine drag con, no? Like sa Mega Mall Trade Hall.
Diba?
Diba? Punta talaga ako. Pero ano ginagawa nila sa mga booth?
She's so good.
Naghintay lang. Naghintay siya may lalapit, naghintay na may bumili. Parang Comiket.
Meet and greet lang, pero wala, pwede rin sila magbenta, gano'n.
Oo.
Ay, meron na agad! Ang bilis! So,
Ay! Ang daya ni Brigading!
bakit back mo nga?
Yan yung gamit niya sa Brigading the Brand. Nakakaloka siya.
Hindi ko alam.
Brigading the Brand, yung show niya. Yan.
I like it. I like the palette. Okay, next. Ang daming wig.
Oh, kasi kilala siyang wig master.
Talaga?
Oo.
Ayun. Siya gumagawa ng wig
Siya
na?
gumagawa ng wigs.
Ay, perfect nga sa kanya. Ay, sa kabibig, oh. Pasok sa branding.
Parang pwede nang hindi niya na dapat nilagay yung...
Yung tela.
Hindi, yung star, yung sun. Nakakagulo siya. Lalo na red at black ang ginamit
Medyo.
niya. Diba? So parang mag-pop out pa siguro talaga yung Venus Deluxe. Ay, ito maganda.
Ang sabi lang siya yung table.
Big easy.
Ay, ang bongga.
Ito yung suot niya nung suot niya nung premiere ng Drag Race Season 2. Nakaganyan siya.
Naka-table.
Oo, siya yung table nakakaloka.
Kasi
Funny.
siya rin yung nagsiserve ng alak.
Oo.
Ito. Ay, ang elegant.
Very
Pero pares ng palette kay,
kay Brigading.
Ay, si
Dragon Slayer.
Si Sasha.
Yan, saka si Sasha Cole.
This pivotal celebration.
Taray. Ay, funny. Pati si Sasha.
A few words. And this is the first ever Dragon Slayer.
Oh my gosh. Paano sila i-judge?
Ang ganda ng energy ni Precious and ni Sasha Colby. So, kailangan i-match mo yun.
Grabe si Sasha Colby, no?
Okay, so you're doing
Naalala ko na, kunwari, di ba, may booth. Pipila kayo sa booth. So, kunwari, booth ni Brigading, pipila doon. Tapos magbabayad ka, kunwari, para makapasok. Tapos, 5 minutes kayo doon. Meet and greet talaga siya.
3, 2,
Jump
3,
split?
2, 1.
Ah!
I'm gonna do the jump work. Okay.
It's a jumpsuit right there.
Siya yung nag-jump, siya yung nag-split. Siya yung ina-alarma. Gaga.
Parang Daxi Brigading mo.
Malaki. Parang okay lang.
Yeah.
Hindi ako masyadong
Sobrang interactive. Na-entertain naman ako kahit pa paano.
Pero parang may part sa akin parang nagtatry to hard.
Yeah.
Parang to entertain.
Yeah.
Okay, we have Suki Da.
Now we can measure. It's voluptuous.
Ah!
For me, the most important part is the experience
Ang
of the
cute!
customer.
Nakiki-humor siya. Ay, ga. Ay,
At least Suki.
At talagang magiging mga Suki na sila.
Wow. Bibili ang mga
Suki.
Suki.
Okay, anong pakulo ni Vinyas?
Business!
Here's the area. We have a program to, sundan. Masyado kong pressure.
Ay, parang kinakabahan niya.
Ganun siguro yung thing with funny people. Parang kapag they're forced to be funny, pag wala silang masyadong prepared na situation siguro.
Oo nga, no. Everyone expects it to be funny. Kaya...
Pinasend ko lang sa kanya talaga yung mood and then tapos na. Narattle ako. Ang bilis ko pala masyado.
Wala, parang corny siya. That was hard to watch, girl.
Arizona, you say alak pa. Arizona, alak pa!
Ay, nagets niya agad.
Sasha and Precious dating.
Galing, kasi galing pa yun sa season niya.
Ay, ga! Siniga palit!
Overkit. Inside the hangover kit is one shot of brandy.
Again.
And then another shot of brandy. And then one more shot of
Brandy.
brandy. Vodka. That's how you carry the best experiences,
no?
and I hope I gave that to them. Or baka headache lang yung mga bigay ko. Hindi ko sure eh.
Hirap niyan.
Ang hirap
Kasi
niya.
as a queen na hindi ka sanay sa ganong meet and greet interaction. Kasi
Oo.
usually ang mga meet and greet ng mga Filipino queens ay lahat ng mga drag queen na magpe-perform doon, lahat sila magkakasama sa isang room, tapos papasok na lang yung fan.
Yeah.
Wala ka namang pagbabasihan.
Oo nga. No.
So, hindi rin nila matel. Kids can tell.
Let's get that. Ay, puro tela lang. Oh my God.
I know how to kill a cat with a key. Breathe in, breathe out.
Sila outfit.
Ay! Siguro.
Hindi yung mga acupuncture, chiropractic.
Oo nga.
Bakit ganun?
Ang cute.
Ay, tinanong
Ay!
niya!
Merch? Yes, I have a merch. This is the one-of-a-kind
Dapat
merch.
di niya
The
tinatanong.
stick. Say, changed my life.
Is that shade?
You're gonna eat it, you don't have a stick.
May pasuhol din.
It's me.
Me.
It's like...
Bongga si na may tote bag siya.
Yeah. Ang ganda nga ng tote bag.
Kasi at least meron talaga silang physical na madadala na...
Saka yung labubo kina Eme.
Oh,
Ay, binuhat!
Cute nila. Anyway, I'm loving the interaction between the international queens and the Filipino queens.
Yeah.
It's so surreal. And especially siguro sa mga queens themselves kasi pinapanood lang nila sa... Alam mo yun?
TV.
And now they're we're really a part of the Drag Race franchise. Ang galing.
Actually, no.
Nakakatuwa makita si Alyssa Edwards,
Sasha Colby,
si Pangina. Si Pangina
si
na
Jimbo.
Oo.
I needed this runway. This is why I came here. I want to
Meaning
redeem
they're gonna
myself.
wear
Something na in-elevate before.
looks na nila
Guys,
before.
Before Dragon, like all the queens meet, right?
Yeah.
We have like a tea time. And we get to see all the girls together. And I realized at that moment that I'm part of the family.
Totoo, no.
I was there in the US, was with Jimmy Caliente. Jimmy Caliente was so nice. in New York, she booked a hotel so that I have a place to
Ay,
stay.
bait.
For both of us.
She knows and gets all the jokes. She is an icon.
Kahit na para nasa ibang bansa siya, no,
Totoo.
nag-make talaga siya ng effort to connect with the
Philippines.
Filipino drag queens. And parang feeling ko sobrang mag-iiba na yung drag race because kasi wala sa panel ang nakakaalam how it feels like
Yeah.
yung mga nararamdaman ng girls. I think it will change the dynamic of the next season ng ating drag race.
I hope they invite someone na as qualified as Mama Jiggly.
But I don't think there will ever be.
Ay, grabe naman yung bewang.
At red siya.
So snatch, girl.
And what?
Mabuhay!
Who's gonna stand out?
Rebirth, starting with Sukidon. This is my
In his
rebirth.
season.
I mean, I already looked so expensive in my season, but this time around, I'm amplifying it. The shape I'm giving you, this fur coat, is dragging.
I love the
me
hair.
to-
Ay, bongga siya!
Wait, ito.
Pink's not dead.
I forgot. Parang Ken.
Dapat naglagay na siya ng sa buhok niya.
Nang.
Kasi yun yung suot niya nung nag-lip-sync sila ni Minty Fresh eh.
Wait a minute.
Ayan na! Sabi sa'yo eh!
Venus Deluxe.
Ay, ayan na!
Oh my God!
Taas na! Ayan na, i-reveal niya na!
Ang bongga!
Hikaru.
Ganun pa din.
Reveal into another reveal. Shaking.
Ay, lalabas siya ulit. Ay, walang reveal.
That's amazing.
Ay, hindi niya
Ay,
na talaga
hindi niya
ni-reveal.
This runway, I chose my Animal Kingdom couture.
Ah, hindi ko ito maalala.
This time, I am Rebirth as a fashion queen.
Pero,
So I'm striking
Oh,
my
bongga siya.
I'm giving
I like
them
it.
tailored
It's
realness.
leveled up
I'm giving
nga,
them
no?
Arizona brandy. They've
Ano
never-
siya, something siya na, alam mo yun, parang masusuot. It's
Yeah.
something wearable.
And I wouldn't expect from Arizona na hindi naman known na fashion queen.
Yeah.
Kiana.
Ay, ayan na!
That Mary goes round. All the way to the back, I think. Tututo siya.
Oh, they're just fine.
Welcome back, ladies.
Oh, dapat si Venus nireveal ka talaga.
You're a star, Brigadine. Don't ever doubt yourself, Brigadine. Thank you
She's
so
slowly
much.
becoming
Thank
the
you.
front runner,
Thank you.
no?
Next up, Venus Deluxe. Okay. Who made this wig?
Yeah, it's so
Who made this
cool.
hair?
Making the most out of
Ang galing
it,
talaga
and
ng
then
wig.
Parang napasobra naman yung mga uma-under sa utak ko, and I'm so pressured.
Are you having a premonition?
Ha? Oh my God.
Thank you very
At
much.
least then na hindi na rin pala siya nag-reveal. At least na keep niya yung
Yes,
sanctity. Yung sanctity.
Sanctity.
Kasi parang hindi niya inano kasi parang feeling niya, oh, itong look na to, it can go as it is. So parang na-keep niya yung sacredness.
Sacredness. I agree.
Arizona Brandy.
I love this look talaga.
How are you feeling, Arizona?
I feel so happy because I've never been known for my looks.
Kiana.
What's up?
4 times that you were asking us, what do you want to do next?
Oo nga.
You asked me. Oh. I was like, what? I really love the past look. That they reveal with the face. Knowing what the original look
Yes.
was, what I did feel was you're a dancing girl like me. Just really have
Oh
the
my
confidence of
gosh.
knowing that all the storm around you, you're still you.
Because she's just 22. 23.
Yeah.
She's so young.
She's still so
I
young.
think, and imagine being put in that situation with drag queens na 10 years na nagpe-perform.
Kilala na yung branding nila.
Yeah, and you just started this nung pandemic lang. Para talaga siya nag-teenager.
Adolescent.
Yeah.
So who do you think will win the challenge, girl?
Ako, ang panalo ko dito talaga si Arizona. Ikaw, sino sa'yo?
Top 1. Top 1.
Are you nervous? Are you part of the challenge? Sino top 1 mo?
My top 1?
Ako
Secret.
Ako, ang top 1 ko, sabay tayo.
One, two, three, go.
Arizona.
Suki doll because I super love the boot. And the look. It's such a level up.
Oo.
I mean yung look, there are better looks from the other queens, but yung Booth, it's ano talaga, it
Agree.
touched me. It touched me.
Ah.
I loved it so much.
As a fashion queen. Yes. Pero agree. Maganda yung pinili niyang base. Maganda yung ni-reference siya because it was super basic. And super
Yeah.
simple. And she really elevated
A lot of
it.
room to level up.
Yeah.
How about you?
Ako si Arizona Brandy kasi parang perfect yung branding niya talaga. She's a branding. Arizona branding. Maganda kasi from the booth itself, parang if fan ka ni Arizona at nakita mo yung booth na yun, alam mo kung saan galing yung damit na suot niya.
Gets.
Parang it's parang something siya na nagawa niya na before and she's referencing herself. I love when queens do that. And ayun, ang ganda ng personality niya doon. Siya yung may pinaka-pleasing personality. And in the sense nung challenge, nung ginagawa nila, maayos yung flow, ganun. Kasi parang dahil nga this is a televised, na gugulan ako sa black kapag lilipat dito, lilipat sa ganyan. So, parang ang ganda na nasa gitna lang sila, tas may tote bag siyang binigay. Ganun. Maganda na parang, ano talaga siya, it's a DragCon experience na pwedeng maranasan ng isang fan. Tas gusto ko rin yung outfit niya because it was really leveled up. Sobrang ganda ng wig. I love the wig. And yun siguro pinaka naging favorite ko. Bakit siya yung naging top 1 ko? Yung wig. Sobrang ganda ng wig.
Talaga.
I like it. Okay, let's continue watching.
Welcome back, queens. I have made my decision.
My decision! Oh.
Arizona Brand.
Oh my God!
Your Jackon booth was fun and smoking raw.
Roar! By Katy Perry.
Congratulations.
Tama ka.
Okay, malilibre ako tonight.
Ang galing!
Suki Dong. Congratulations.
Yay! Congrats!
Ay, meron na!
Ay! Nanalo din siya!
Parehas tayo!
Parehas tayo ng winner! Pero ang galing na rin siya.
Ang galing na na-utilize ni Suki yung talent niya, no? Yun yung naisip ko. Na parang sana si Kiana tsaka si Vinyas, ginamit nila yung talent nila. Like, what si Vinyas? Okay, I'll give you a mic. I'm the national bunganga. Let's sing.
Oo nga, no?
Diba? Pagkatakanta ka, she's known for singing. And siguro yun yung dalawa nilang ginamit. They use your talents to their benefit. Kaya sila ang nanalo. I love them.
Sing performance of Race Car by P-pop group Caliste.
Oh.
Ladies,
P-pop
this is your
Rice.
last chance to impress me.
Wait, how are they
Yourself
gonna
proud.
dance? Galing mag-lip sync. Oh my gosh, Kiana's at a disadvantage. Okay, lip sync. Oh my gosh! Sino kayo matatanggal? Grabe.
Alam na natin kung sino.
Alam mo ba?
Oo.
Real, hindi ko pa alam.
Okay.
Sino?
So, sobrang hard mapanood na parang, parang napanghinaan na sila ng loob dito. Hindi ko na-feel yung grit. Hindi ko na-feel yung...
Yung song din siguro kasi. Saka yung outfit nila.
outfit nila, mahirap.
It's an upbeat song tapos naka-full on parang gown sila.
Anyways.
They did the best with what they
What
got.
I think.
I'll do the best I can with what I got. Oh!
You know? It's an okay lip sync but I feel like Kiana talaga.
Kaya na talaga.
Parang I'm so sad to see the journey of Kiana na parang pumasok siyang one of the strongest na kinakatakutan.
From,
Tapos,
from her season 3,
from
kakagaling
season
niya
3,
lang.
tapos episode 1, tapos paunti-unti siyang nag-fade out, tapos napanghinaan ng loob, tapos parang hindi naman super nag-bounce back. Parang give ko na kay Vinyas yung win for tonight.
Tapos nagbalak pa siya, no? mag-voluntary exit.
Balak niya pa mag-exit.
Yeah, so sad.
Kaya parang hindi ko na-feel masyado yung passion from Kiana.
Yeah, agree.
Venus Deluxe. Shante, you stay.
Kiana still has a lot of room to grow, no?
Keanu with a K. V.I. Kiani Queen from CDO. Balik with a K.
Ay, ang galing.
That's
Iconic.
the character.
It's Pearl. To the moon. To the moon. What did you think? What you gonna say?
For me, I feel like I wasn't as surprised because medyo nagdudwindle na yung starlight ni Kikiana. Kikiana. Parang nag-fade na yung star niya for me nung mga past few episodes. So I'm not really surprised. I agree with the top 4 pala. I love the top 4. I'm happy na may isang international girlie and it's Suki Doll. She deserves it.
I love her arc siguro kasi parang we know her from her season na sobrang galing niya, her original season. Tapos dito, parang if ever, si Kiana, if ever babalik siya for another run, alam mo yun, redemption na.
Oo nga.
At least nagkaroon siya ng, parang alam mo yun, parang movie. At least nabugbog siya. Parang sumikat siya, nabugbog siya. So,
natalo, tas
mas sa kanya, parang mas breakthrough.
yeah.
Kasi she had this moment. And Kiana is so young. Ang dami pang pwedeng mangyari sa kanya. And she's just starting. And I love this for her. I love that for her. Not for me, though.
Also, I feel like if Kiana wasn't up against Maxi, sure win talaga siya. At I think, nung original season niya. But Maxi was Maxi.
Yeah. Ayo, what did you guys think of this episode?
Did you guys agree with our comments? Tell us in the comment section down below.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
At huwag kalimutan,
Kiana is iconic.
Yeah.
Okay. And to continue lang. Tuloy ka lang sa buhay.
Laban lang with a K.
Yeah. Continue with a case. And let's continue the next
episode. Bye! Wait! Kailan yung finale?
Next week. So may isa pang episode.
Ilan sila? 3?
Hindi, get sila pa din.
Ito.
Parang coronation na lang to. Ito, episode
Non-elimination.
nila. Oo. Tapos, parang dito magbabase for the next week. Parang ganoon.
That's so anticlimactic. Why?
But I guess they have to milk. They have to milk it, I guess. Kasi kung top 4 tapos tanggalan kagad next season.
Or kasi they have to promise 10 episodes.
Siguro. Tapos walang na save.